Okay, what's up, Terry? So looking at the week recap, good predictions. Look at gold. Of course, we came into the week mad bearish. Daily, I said we did have cause for retracement. I was actually expecting 1763, and the way we closed, we could still see 1763. But as we can see, we have to get past 1740 first, which we have not been able to break past. Look at it on the 4 hour. What did we have? Well, we had us break the structure here, retest it slightly, and keep on going down. So I actually saw a short opportunity on there, but I didn't get hit because gold is just that volatile. Here, I noticed that we broke to this level. We came back below, which retested. I put a sell limit right there on those first two candles, stop loss above there. And my thought process was it would have to come back below 1708 to because everyone who's long, if because so many people are interested in the 1 hour, everybody who's long has the stop loss right there. So look at where it came into right there, 1700 to the pip. 1700 rejects, gives multiple rejections and trades upwards. You can see even better there's this level right here because some people might put their stops here, some right there, took out everything. So for gold right now, what do I see? What do I see? Hmm. This momentum here, does this level, this is the third time now we'll be coming back to this level. Does it hold? Because if it does, I'm expecting at least to see 1700 and further downside. We'll see. But for now, we are stuck, we're trapped between 1740 and 1700. As easy as that. Let's look at G. I had this written on Tuesday. I said if 3.85 doesn't hold, pound the supremely. Fuck the downside. If it holds, 1.4 will be seen. And what happened? It came in, 1.385 held. Took like the perfection of these guys. You can see this is a huge liquidity zone for us. Have us smack. That's why I love GU. I haven't started trading it, but I absolutely loved how structured FAR is. Straight into that liquidity band, we frost upwards. Back into this one, frost upwards. And what have we done here again? Frosted back into that liquidity band. Broke through. Look at this. Massive bullish engulfing right there. Retest. So for any trader who wanted to get in, nice, beautiful retest. And where did we get to? 1.4 to the, let's look at it, guys, to the freaking pip. Okay. 1.4, literally. Now, what is key about this for me is we didn't get above this week. So, momentum, any sellers are still in this. So, they're still convinced to hold their shorts because they've not been stopped out yet. They haven't. So does 1.385 hold? Because what we can see here is we broke through, now we've retested 1.394. Does this hold? Does this break? That's what I'm looking out for next week. Now, GJ, my favorite pair. Well, I don't know. Intraday support of 150.7 holding nicely. Break of bounce, as you can see. Or did we get there? 150.7 took us up. I saw that so many people were trying to sell this, but I I kept making those stupid mistakes back then. The common clips, I missed that one. Never again. Did I trade this week? No, but I learned a lot from the markets. Understand that price has to come back to your level multiple times. I paper traded this trade, but let's just look at what I said. Looking at 1 day price reaching to highs of 151.4. but quickly, so I'm talking about here, but then we quickly retreated down to 150.7, so down back there. Wick gets filled today, so what am I looking at? I'm looking at the daily when I was saying that. I was looking at this. I was looking at that right there. I said, Wick gets filled today because yen weak as shit and structure hasn't changed bias to short. But I say 152.8 will be seen, which was my next key level. That was my next key level. I said price made high this week. Expect price to pick up volume and continue. Worst case scenario for long is 149.65. So if you look at the 4 hour, what am I saying? 149.65 is the absolute place we can come to pick up orders for more longs. Intraday support 150.7, as you can see, that held perfectly. Let's go to the micro to see what that meant for us. If you look at the micro of GJ, what do we see? I paper traded this. What did I see? 150.7 held like a butte. So right there, that was the 4 hour. Saw price coming, bullish engulfing. What did I see? I saw it came in, bullish engulfing up, and we frosted up. I said, wow, that's very good. I noticed that this level right here, since we are long, this level was a temporary resistance. As you can see, we finally frosted above that goal. I put a sell limit before I tested this one. Didn't actually make any money from this, but learned a lot. Sell limit right there. And I put my sell limit on the first two candles that came back into this zone, which also kind of correlated with those first two candles right there. Put my stop loss right below there because that was the low of the move. It was turned out to be a 1.45. Why did I choose 151.3? Nice cycle level. What do we see there? The perfection. Why did I pick that as a TP? Because for an intraday move, this took about 14 hours, so it gives me a nice perspective. For an intraday move right there, everyone who's trying to short this because for some reason, sorry about that, the truck's going by the road. Everyone is trying to short this for some reason. We just want to short the yen. Why? The pound, because we feel the pound is weak. No, no mass. We are long now. Stops above here. We might take profit right there. As you can see, the first time we go around, we didn't actually have enough orders from here to break above. So I almost missed this trade. But then came back, picked up orders. You can see retested, quite volatile actually. And then went up. So that was a nice 63 pip trade. And then on that same trade, I also believe that if this level held on that same level, we would have a nice push to the upside. Now, I originally expected 152.8 because that's my next weekly level. And I didn't see anything stopping us. But what I forgot is, as we were going, we had these psych levels. We have 151, 151.5 right there, and 152. So if you just give me a second here, let me just do something to show you guys what I'm talking about. Where's my horizontal line? Okay. So we have 151.5 right there. And we have 152 right there. What can we see right there? Well, what we can see is that price has pretty much respected this psychological levels. Pretty much. So this is how it is to judge psych levels when holding long moves, like swing trades. You see the momentum this far we came in. We had this bearish candle, and then this long position that this bullish engulfing tells that okay, momentum is back with us. We retest that and keeps on going up. And then where does It stopped at 152. So right there is actually where I would have liquidated if I had seen it early, so 151.8. But I just pretended I liquidated at an hour before Friday just to milk the market to the end because I don't like leaving positions over the weekend because you can't control, although you can't control the market, you can't change your position. You could get gapped and that would not be good. So as you can see, I would have gotten stopped at 151.8, which would have turned out to be a nice 1 to 8.3. Not bad. So this was actually my first time swing trading. This level proved out to be nice. I actually got, we can see, I got the, let's just clone this. Oops, nope, not do that. Let's actually copy it and paste it here. Just give me a second, guys. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, I just need to show it on the weekly now so you guys can see what I am talking about. So from that trade there, I think I got, let's go to the daily. Yeah, I got the weekly candle pretty much. Well, not most of it, but I got a good chunk of this. I got about 50% the weekly candle from that trade. So it was a pretty damn good trade. So those were the only two trades I was actively in before testing, of course. Now, for my outlook for GJ, you see, I wonder what it is. Come on, guys, we don't have to discuss this. I'm just gonna take these side levels off now, but you can see the clarity that simplicity brings. Outlook for GJ. This level, let's go to the 4 hour one more time. So we've had 152 hold up. So any long trades now, it's to 152. I will be coming to be targeting. My first point of call will be 151.3, somewhere around there. Does that level hold? This is interesting for me. Does this level hold? If we break through there, then we'll see what the market holds first. Thank you guys for my recap, and I'll see you guys